Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find the videos that you previously liked on YouTube and how you can actually delete them. It's very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the YouTube app first. The first thing that you want to do when you're at the app over here is to click on the lower right corner guys, where you see your small profile picture. Then you will see that we have a couple of different sections, different folders when we are at the settings of our own YouTube account. You want to make sure that you have the most recent update from the app guys. So the first section over here is liked videos, then you have watch later, then you have must watch. This is the separate folder of unique ones. Okay, so the first one, when you click liked videos, okay, you're gonna find a list of videos that you previously watched and liked. So if you want to delete some of these list videos, we're going to click on the three dots next to the actual video, and you will see that the last option in the menu will be remove from liked videos. This is what we're going to do. Now we just removed a video that we previously liked, and this video will no longer appear in the folder with liked videos on our YouTube channel. For more tips like this guys, subscribe and like this video.